let us start with the reading. Now we have set the relay to operate for normal inverse 3-second relay. And so now let us start. First we shall turn on the dimmer. So dimmer is on. The switch has to be made on first of all. Okay. Now we shall set the current. The first reading is 1.5 ampere. Is 1.5 ampere now. Okay, and timer is still on, no issue. Okay, and the relay has operated due to some value. Okay, not to worry, but what we will do, we shall reset the relay. हमने करंट सेट कर लिया है 1.5. Okay, now we shall turn it off. After turn it off, we shall reset the relay over there. Relay has been reset. Afterwards the timer has to be reset, and now what we shall do, we shall turn on the switch over there. The timer has started. Okay, the current is 1.5 ampere and the relay has operated होने का बाकी है अभी भी. It has operated in 12.871 second. Okay, 12.871 second. And the PSM detected by relay is 8.603. For Y phase there is no PSM, for B phase there is no PSM, for earth there is no PSM, and last there will be breaker failure. Relay has operated, the R phase has tripped over there. Now what we shall do, we shall make the current as 2 ampere. Current is 2 ampere. Reset the relay. First you have to turn off the switch, then we shall reset the relay, and then we shall reset the timer. Timer भी आपका reset हो चुका है. Again we shall turn on the switch. Now the current is 2 ampere. That will take less time as compared to the previous value. 9.217, and the PSM detected by the relay is 10.69. 10.69. Okay, now again we shall increase the current to 2.5. 2.5. We shall now turn the switch off. After the switch is off, first reset the relay. Relay has been reset, and then we shall reset the timer over there. Okay, अब हो गया. फिर से हम स्विच को ऑन करेंगे. Current is 2.5. The timer has started, and relay has also detected the fault. It has tripped now. It is 12.99 PSM. The T operating is 7.338 second. Okay, again we shall increase the current. It is 3. Okay, again we will turn it off the switch, reset the relay, reset the timer. Again we will turn on the switch. जैसे फॉल्ट डिटेक्ट करता है, the LED will blink over there, और जब ट्रिप करेगा it will glow continuously. So relay has tripped now. Breaker failure 15.48, and the T operating is 6.201 second. Now what I will do, I shall set the relay for the next programming, that is normal inverse, sorry, not in normal, this was normal inverse 3-second characteristics. Now we shall set for the D10.